Neil Squire's Empower3D program provides youth with disabilities ages 15 to 30 the opportunity to develop skills and gain meaningful work experience in the manufacturing sector. This free, comprehensive program helps you explore careers, overcome barriers to employment, and even provides you with paid work experience. Manufacturing is the process of turning raw materials into finished products. It plays a key role in the economy by creating jobs and producing the goods we use every day. The manufacturing sector covers a wide variety of jobs, some directly involved in making a product, and others supporting the process behind the scenes. You might work hands-on in areas like assembly, packaging, warehousing, or quality control. Or you could support operations through roles in administration, general labor, or coordination within the office or facility. Empower3D lets you explore careers in industries like food and beverage, wood production, paper and printing, metal fabrication, computers and electronics, flower and plant production, furniture and household goods, and industrial equipment manufacturing. Work environments can vary widely. You might find yourself in an office, a warehouse, a fabrication shop, a garden nursery, or even outdoor community spaces. Each environment offers a unique experience depending on the role and industry. In Empower3D, you'll gain practical and hands-on experience, enhance your resume, and increase your employability, all while being fully supported by our team. Neil Squire occupational therapists and assistive technology specialists will help to ensure you have the tools, training, and accommodations you need to succeed. Gain confidence, develop in-demand skills, and build your future. Your path to employment starts here. Are you ready to join Neil Squire's Empower3D program? Visit neilsquire.ca to learn more, or call us at 1-877-673-4636.